Welcome to DAX query view. Now we want to work on time intelligence calculation within the DAX query view. So we go to sales, right click sales. We want to define and evaluate sales. So because we want to work on time intelligence, I want to be able to bring in the month and the year in this place. So I'm just going to click enter, type date, then I'll have dates and month, then I put comma, then I should be able to have click enter another date and here, then I run. Okay, so there was no comma here, then I run. Okay, good. So we have date, year, and sales. Now let's start time intelligence calculation. If you look by the DAX measures, there is no previous month. So let's calculate a previous month here. So I'm going to come in here, type measures, then we have the DAX measures. Just then we're going to want to use sales, so it's going to be previous month sales. Then we do equals to. Now you can see right now we have the update model new measure, so he already knows that, oh, there is the name is not here in the table, so David is writing a new measure. So let's type that. What is so we're going to use calculate, then sales previous month, then we put our dates and close bracket. Now for us, you're going to see now you're going to add it, but let's be sure if that is what we want for previous, so that we are very sure. So now we're going to do I want this to be, and then we're going to write the name first, then the name is previous month, then sales, previous month sales, comma, then we have to write the name of the measure, DAX, then you can see previous month sales. Then let's run it and let's be sure. Okay, so there is some issues that we have here, so we're going to check it out. Okay, so where the issue is, so I think this is correct, but let's go back to the measure. Oh, we did not close this, so we put close and we run. Good. So we now have our previous month sales, and this made sense, and we just click add the new measure. Now why I'm doing add after debugging is so that we are very sure of what we are doing. Lastly, let's add year to date in our measure. So I'm going to type enter, then I just do a copy and paste of a measure which I've written earlier on, and you can see add new measure because I know it's correct, so I'm just going to click add new measure. You can see the year to date is here already. Then I'm just going to add it to my evaluate, and I'm going to put comma here to make it make sense, and we let it run. and this is it. So you can see it's adding them up together, and this is how we do our year to date. And this is time intelligence within the DAX query, where you have new measures. You can update the model with new measures. You can edit them. You also update the new the measures, and this is how you work with DAX query view. What do you think about the DAX query view? Can you leave it in the comment section?